Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use name range in Excel for data validation. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see in this Excel file I have two sheets. In first sheet have a data, employees name list and department column. In second sheet have a list of department. So here I'm going to create the name range and then I apply the data validation in department column. So just go to the sheet number 2 and simply select the department names and go to the name box. So this is the name box. When I keep cursor, see the name box and edit this name. A1 is A column. I just select it. Therefore, it's showing A1. Enter the name those you want. So I just enter here department list in short. Okay. And press the enter key. And here you can see the name range is created. When I click on this drop down arrow, see the department list here showing. Now, okay, now go to the sheet number 1 and apply here the data validation. In department column, simply select the range of cell and go to the data tab. In data tools, in data validation, click on this drop down arrow and click on the first option, data validation. Here the dialog box is open, data validation. In settings tab, in validation criteria, in allow, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the list, and in source just enter the name range. Okay, simply select, enter the is equal to and enter the department list name range. Okay, as I mentioned in sheet number 2. Okay, name range in name box. Okay, so I enter here department list and click on OK, and that's it. Just click on this drop down arrow and see the list of department here showing. Okay, so this is a way you can use the data validation with the name range in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.